Hello and welcome back to Stock Market Encyclopedia. Here we cover news highlights from the day. Starting with our big breaking, Elon Musk buys Twitter for $54.2 per share at a $44 billion valuation. While ONGC falls sharply, stock now down nearly 2% from highs. Aurobindo Pharma falls sharply, stock down over 1% from day's high. While there is a fall in HUL, 1.5% from intraday highs. While on the other hand, looking at the Adani Wilmar, we can see that it is up 5% to hit upper circuit limit for second day in a row. Trading above 4% for fourth day in a row, market cap crossed rupees 1 lakh crore. While Maruti Suzuki sees a sharp decline, stock now down over 2% from day's high. Atul Limited reports a Q4 earnings, net profit down 22% at 136.3 crore versus 175 crore YOY, revenue up 22.8% at 1370 crore versus 1115.9 YOY, EBITDA down 19.35% at 205.2 crore versus 254.3 crore, EBITDA margin at 15% versus 22.8% YOY. Moving to the Gateway Districts, Q reports Q4 earning, net profit up 85.2% at rupees 85 crore versus rupees 45.9 crore YOY, revenue up 2.5% at rupees 359.1 crore versus rupees 350.3 crore YOY, EBITDA up 0.4% at rupees 94.9 crore versus rupees 95.3 crore YOY, EBITDA margin at 26.4% versus 27.2% YOY. Q4 earnings of Sanofi India, net profit up 63.4% at rupees 238.4 crore versus 145.9 crore YOY, revenue down 2.5% at 707 crore versus 725.1 crore YOY, EBITDA up 2.7% at 194.5 crore versus 149.4 crore YOY, EBITDA margin at 7.5% versus 26.1% YOY. While Q4 earnings of Tata Tele, there is a net loss at rupees 280.6 crore versus loss of rupees 302.3 crore QOQ, revenue down 4% at rupees 272.8 crore versus rupees 284.2 crore QOQ, EBITDA up 3.2% at 120.7 crore versus 117 crore QOQ, EBITDA margin at 44.3% versus 41.2% QOQ. Looking at the Q4 reports of HDFC Life, net profit 3.58 billion rupees versus 3.2 billion year on year, while company's 22% growth in VNB, company approved dividend of rupees 1.7 per share, company solvency ratio 126% versus 200% year over year. Reliance extends gains, stock now up 3.5%, while the most awaited IPO has been finally announced. LIC IPO announced, issue opens on May 4th and closes on May 9th. Summing up the markets for today, we can see that Nifty snaps 2-day losing streak to face 200 DMA resistance near 17,200, while Nifty Bank rallies second day in a row as all stocks rally except Axis Bank. Coming to Nifty Midcap, we can see that it rallies over 1% since 16th March, over 60% stocks gain. Nifty Small Cap rallies over 1% to snap 2-day losing streak, over 60% stocks gain. All sector indices gain at least 1% each except Nifty IT. Coming to our top gainers for today, we can see that Adani Port is up nearly 6%, Bajaj Auto is up nearly 6%, Hero MotoCorp is up nearly 5%, M&M is up nearly 4%, Power Grid is up nearly 4%. Looking at the market at close, we can see that Sensex rises 777 points to 57,357 and Nifty 247 points to 17,201. Nifty Bank gains 323 points to 36,405 and Midcap Index 482 points to 30,215. Market breadth favors advances, advance decline ratio at 3:2. That was all for today. Hope you all had an amazing and a profitable day.